Aisha. Igbo fi marry Hausa girl, yo. Aisha.
Abuja fine, yo.
As you can see, everywhere is just so organized.
Hey, Jesus. I love the place.
Okay. Aisha sent me to come and pick you from the airport. Are you the boyfriend that she has always been talking about?
Yes, I'm Odogu Bubu.
Odogu Bubu.
Yes.
You are very lucky. I work for the family for over years.
You know?
The father is a very, very good man. Very, very good. Hey, they are lucky. You are very lucky.
Is it good?
Hey, they lucky. You are very lucky.
Igbo.
Yes. My name is Nkwon Nabuchi.
You are an Igbo man?
Yes, I'm an Igbo man.
Okay, for the father?
Yes. Over years, he's a very good man.
Is he around now? The father?
He traveled abroad, I guess. These people that are rich. Let me put my seatbelt on, do road safety over there. So, like I'm telling you now, the man is Igbo Mado. If you're a very secret person, you get detour from the man. You said that you are an Igbo man now.
I'm Igbo.
Tiaro. The girl is a very, very plain girl and she doesn't have any boyfriend. So I guess you're very lucky.
Where are we going to now? Is it to their house?
I'm taking you to the father's hotel. That's where the girl wants. She always likes staying there. That hotel.
Papi, I'm hotel.
I'm telling you, this man is rich. Hotel.
Hey, Nkwon Nabuchi.
You're very lucky. I have more to tell you.
Okay.
A lot of things about my family.
Okay. Thank you very much. All right.
Wow, I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't. I feel good. I knew that I wouldn't.
Odogu Bubu is in love for you with his fine baby, oh. Aisha Nolu. Aisha, fine well. She get everything where Odogu Bubu they like. This love, they go serious, oh. Alaji say, one light a lie. Odogu Bubu, you know fi marry my daughter. You know be Muslim, oh. Mama Odogu Bubu say, Aisha Igaya no mamo, Iburo Nyuzo Christi. Love no they ask any question. Love feel cross any boundary. Love don't care about your color. One love keep us together. Hey. If you be Hausa, if you be Yoruba, if you be Igbo, hey. If you be Hausa, if you be Yoruba, if you be Igbo, hey. Love don't cost a thing. Love is a beautiful thing. Mama, Aisha it go more flashing my tamam, Aisha I promise to love you forever. We go there together. Hey, Aisha my Aisha this love is sweet, oh. Love no they ask any question. Love feel cross any boundary. Love don't care about your color. One love keep us together. Hey, if you be Hausa, if you be Yoruba,